might already know how to say happy, angry, excited in Arabic, but today we will talk about deep feelings. These feelings that are they are coming from like your inner self. They're very intense and deep. So when we want to when we want to say these feelings, the words we will use are coming from modern standard Arabic. We go back to modern standard Arabic because this is where all the language came from, so they will be more expressive and more meaningful. Make sure to check out my Etsy. My workbooks for beginners and intermediate are amazing, and if you need a tutor I teach, just check out my email. I teach one-on-one. Okay, so let's go over the feelings. Satisfaction, رضا, رضا. سعادة, happiness, سعادة. Anger, غضب, غضب. Safety, أمان, أمان. Comfort, راحة, راحة. Fear, خوف, خوف. Sadness, حزن, حزن. Hopeless, يأس, يأس. Loneliness, وحدة, وحدة. Calmness, هدوء, هدوء. So if you notice, a lot of these words are different than that, like the feelings everyday feeling, like, oh, I had a great meal, I slept really well, I'm feeling happy. It's different. So for example, happy is مبسوط. Happiness, سعادة. Angry, زعلان or معصب. But anger, like the more intense anger, غضب. So I'm going to say them all again in Arabic really quick, and yeah. رضا, سعادة, غضب, أمان, راحة, خوف, حزن, يأس, وحدة, هدوء. Okay, I hope you learned new vocabularies, and thank you so much for listening. If you want to see me live, follow me on TikTok so I can go live. I'm trying to reach 1,000 followers. Thank you so much.